SignalPeak is giving you the chance to get involved for free. Now, guys, everyone on social media, everyone on YouTube is talking about SignalPeak. And why are they doing that? Because it is bringing out the best results. Over 100 premium crypto groups you can get access to, over 45 Forex groups, all in one package. And it is ridiculously cheap. And with my code, my link down below, if you click that, you're going to save an extra $100 on top of this. Let me show you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. But you can see here, guys, all right, you can get a free trial for 3 days. And you get access to over 100 groups. You get over 45 Forex groups. And I'm going to show you some of them today. You can pay a monthly fee of $250 or a lifetime fee of $750 if you ignore my link down below. But you will get that $100 off, and this will only be $600. Now, let me show you some of the groups. You can see here, right? These are all the crypto ones that I use. You could join as many as you want. You could join as little as you want. It's completely up to you. But as we go through these, okay, I'm just going to pick a random one and show you how it is working. So let's go with Crypto VIP. Okay, Crypto VIP is a premium group that I think costs about $12,000 a year. Okay, you get this in part of the package. Now, the reason I like Crypto VIP is because they actually give you the markup and show you why they're taking the trade. They will look like this. They'll say the analysis and the price, okay, what support area they're looking for, and the resistance area, which is a really, really cool thing to know. This is more like, it's not a straight signal send. It's more of analysis, and then you go yourself and choose if you would like to take a trade in that area. But we do have a lot that just absolutely send you straight and utter copy and paste. You can see here, for example, Golden Bull. They send you the token, they send you the signal type, the leverage, the entry target, the take profits, and wait for the entry price and what the stop loss is going to be. And that's all part of the SignalPeak VIP package. Unbelievable, guys. So if you want to get involved in this, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. That link down below is going to get you $100 off. But I urge you, try the 3-day free trial. If you don't like it, ignore me. If you do like it, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time.